Greetings once again, it's Yoteki. In this video we will solve your Zoom is lagging like you are in the meetings, you have lags with your camera and so on. So we'll try some steps that can be useful and solve your issue. First of thing, like you need to restart your router or check out if you are paying your bills and so on, and you are not using poor mobile sales, or you're using some issue with the router. So this first thing that you need to check with. Second, you need to go for Zoom settings here, the left one, and then you go to video, and please make sure that your HD, as I check it, so it's unchecked. Uncheck the HD section, please. So it's gonna be lower quality of the video, more performer network. Second, you need to check the stats here. Overall, you need to get the thing is, if it is using your resources, CPUs and memory, there is a lot of usage, because it can be impact your Zoom performance if it is using a lot of your resources. And then you would check the bandwidth if it is a lot of amount of bandwidth, so you know that Zoom is like costing a lot of network resources. The last thing that you need to check with, which is the check for the updates. So you go to the logo of your account, then go to the check for updates, and you will see if it is you are using the last update. It's really matter and it's really required. So you are up to date. I have the last update in the Zoom. So I hope those steps and those tricks can help you getting resolved and so on. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.